Hi and welcome. Today we're going to start our social media system so that you can generate social media like Facebook and LinkedIn posts. In next videos we will also create images for those social media posts with the right sizing and also scheduling and posting those Facebook and LinkedIn posts. So today we have here our content system. I changed this view here, content system, to all, because now what we want to do, we want to have two categories for our social media and our article generation. So I will enter here, add here a new category, and it will be single select. Just call it blog articles or article and social media content. That's it for now. So what we can do now here is we can create a new grid, blog articles and social media content. And now you can filter those views. So here we can say, let's say this is our article prompt, category is blog article, and here first Facebook post, that's social media content. So we here blog article view, and now we say filter, add condition, category is blog article, great. And for social media, its category is social media content. Perfect. Now it looks a bit better. So first we want to purpose an URL. So we always do like two techniques. First, you can do it manually with a prompt, or you just insert an article URL. It will grab that and create a Facebook post out of this article. So what do we have? Workflow. We have published to WordPress. So here we need a new workflow. Let's say create social media post. It's quite general because we also need to change the action. Let's see. So number 4 is generate social media post. Okay, here we have create social media post. Let's call it generate. Okay, great. So see, okay, and we already have a webhook. Let's go to make. I already created a scenario because it's the same style than with the content system videos before, so you can check out those, but we will go over one by one. This here is the webhook. Then we get the record. We call the URL and get HTML from the article we want to write a Facebook post about. Then we use a text parser to pass from HTML to text. And then I like to use Claude. We use this to create a Facebook post. Create a Facebook post and an experience social media manager for a B2B audience. Of course, you can change this for your needs. Here you should use emojis and yeah, write a great Facebook post. And here we say, read this article from this HTML to text dump and create a Facebook post. That's it. Okay. Okay. and then we update the record. Which record do we update? We need a new field. So social media content, we have here final article. So let's say Facebook post. It's long text. Create. Go back. Here we can refresh. Now we should see the Facebook post here. And we save the text response. Great. So save it. Let's try it out. Options, we don't use option set, but you will see it later. Generate social media post. Let's go. You should maybe run it. Run it once. Yeah, I think we forgot the automation. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I already created it. You can see watch Facebook post generation. But we changed the drop-down. So let's say when workflow is generate social media post, then update this ID, and the ID is correct. Yes. Okay. Then turn it on. Try it again. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Malik is waiting. Let's try it. So let's see what we get here. Oh, looks good. No errors. Now it's creating the Facebook post. Looks good. Facebook post. We have a new Facebook post. Let's see. With emojis. Want to make a decision content record over your business. Yeah. Not too bad. Not too long. I like it that way. Yeah, it's great. So let's go quickly over what we did. So we created a new view to structure our articles better. Now here we have our blog articles, and here's the social media. You can now build a whole content system with that, like you can do draft or in progress and everything. Then we added Facebook post, we added a new action, we added this new automation, generate Facebook, generate social media post, and with this lake scenario and Claude, we created this Facebook post. Great. Now let's also add those options from prompt, from URL. We also have from URL. So we go back here. So we come here in with our webhook. We get the record, and then we add what's called modules router. Perfect. What's here? Oh no, come on. Delete. Great. This stays as it is. So we come on here. So when do we want to use this lane here? When generate social media post, that's okay. Where's the category? No. Right. Options. I mean options. And here we say from Is it from link or is it from URL? Sometimes from URL. Right here equals to, okay. Here's then options from prompt. And from prompt is quite easy. We don't need those steps. We just need Claude and Airtable. Like this. I'd like to have 3 dots. And here we say create a Facebook post. Create a Facebook post as let's say create a Facebook post as the manager for these guidelines. Use this prompt to create the post, and then we say prompt. Perfect. And here we don't save Facebook post, we save Facebook post, sure, but go there. We save the output from here. You can see that's 10, and you're gonna see it's a 10, so it's correct. Okay, from prompt, from URL, let's try it out. Save, run once, 9, run once, do it, okay. So, from prompt, but we don't have a prompt. Create about the Google consent mode. I always use this an example, I don't know why. So options is, we can delete this. Options is from prompt and workflow is generate. Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, this is a great way to use options to go a different path here and to add more automations in one scenario. Looks good, no errors. Let's go back. Facebook post. Do you know that Google Console Mode can help you maintain analytics data? Yeah, I mean, you have to try a bit what you need, change the prompt a bit, but I think that's quite good for now. What we now also can do is add LinkedIn. So I like it to do it like this. We have a workflow, like generate social media posts, and we have already options. So we need both. So I add another one. Let's call it social media platform. And it's also single select. And here we will add Facebook and LinkedIn. Great. Save. So let's say here, this was a Facebook post. Now we want to do a LinkedIn post from prompt. So we're going back to make. And we will make it simple. We will copy what we have and use it for LinkedIn. More like advanced technique would be to set a variable and then read it and put it in there. But I think that's a little bit easier to understand. So we have a router again. One router goes to another router. Like this is going to be like this. this one here, set a filter. This is for Facebook. So our wait a second. Our social media platform is not here yet. We have to update it. So let's take this record ID for now. Run this manually. Now it should be updated. So you can say set a filter and then social media platform Facebook. Now it will take this route. And here we'll say LinkedIn condition social media platform LinkedIn. If I check if this this one is a large or small one, okay. LinkedIn. So, and now actually we can just copy that all. There is a second router. Now, so let's do it like this. Yeah, make sometimes looks like art when you're done with it. So clone this, modern art, clone this, and this, and that, and this, and that. Okay, clone, don't need it. Okay, so okay. Now this is good. This is not good. 5. This is 13. Make will always put the next module on top, or you can use this one. And here we create a LinkedIn post. Okay. And then redesign this. Wait a second. And here we have number 15. Okay. Here the same. It's LinkedIn. And prompt is the same. Great. Let's see. Yeah, also to change the table because we want to save it here. So we have Facebook post, and now we need surprise LinkedIn post. Everything's small, now it's big. Okay. Long text. Great. Go back, refresh, and we will save it here. LinkedIn post. It's going to be text response. And here's the same. Don't need this. We need this text response. Great. Save. Run once. Let's try it out. So we have LinkedIn from prompt. Facebook LinkedIn post. And then we say generate social media post. And as always, we wait. We wait a bit. Okay, it goes the correct route. LinkedIn on top. And we have our LinkedIn post. Looks good. Let's try it the same so you know it works from URL. If you want to execute the same workflow again, you have to delete actions. Otherwise, it's not going to be updated because it's already added here. So delete it and then generate a new media post. And now we should see, that's the right one. Ah, I see. We have a problem here. What you can see here is here's a one, there's a one, and there's a one, there's one. That means first it took this route, and then it took this route, because we forgot to filter here. Label from prompt. Options from prompt. And from URL. Options from URL. Now it should be all right. Save. Run once. We wait for new data. And just do it again. Let's see. Now it should only take this from URL route. Let's go. Okay, looks good. Here we have it. Perfect. So now you can create Facebook and LinkedIn posts en masse with the system. Hope you liked the video. Check out the next video where we also will create images with Flux in the right sizes for those social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you next time.